As you see, you can access the extensions from here. Click on Add button and select the list.liveview file of your package. The package imported in your extension. You can navigate on the package items by clicking on them, and you can see the preview by mouse over on each item. Select each item that you want. It will import it directly in your timeline. And you can do this work whatever time that you want. For the example, this one. Or this one. When you select each one of imported item, you can see the editable controller in the essential graphic panel. I changed the text controllers to see the results. Thanks to watching this tutorial.